Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. So here we'll see how to navigate from your block listener and then go to a new route. Now in my example, actually, I have this multi-block listener. You can also use block listener, but because I'm listening to different kind of blocks, so that's why over here I do have multi-block listener, and inside this I have separated different listeners. So here I have one block listener. In this case, I'd be listening to auth block and auth state. And I have another block listener because I want to listen to a different block. So that's how the listening works. And then, anyway, so at the same time, if you want to navigate to a different route from block listener or even block consumer, they work the same. So right now over here, you do see that actually I'm taking this state and I'm checking what state I am. Okay. Now, if I have already a valid token, as you can see over here, the state is token verified. And at the same time, you also see that it is valid or not. Then we go to home page. Okay, so from here, as you can see, we go to a different route. That's how it works. And inside this, I have another conditional block, and we go to home page. Not really home page, actually, root route. Okay, or nothing really works fine, then we just show a snack bar like that. And with this block listener, we are also doing the same. Now let's go ahead and print a log over here. Print, here we say going to home route. All right, so let's go ahead and print it. So now if I do restart, I'll say this one because actually this code, this block listener is in our splash screen, as you can see the file. So let me restart our app, and then this is our splash screen, and as you can see we went to the home route, and actually this is our home route. So the idea is either you use block listener or block consumer, doesn't really matter. You will have this listener property, and inside this you can actually navigate to different routes based on your conditional check, and that's how it works.